Hello, I'm Diane K. Spear, one of the librarians at HBU's Moody Library. I'm an instruction and reference librarian. This is a video to assist students with using the online catalog. The library's URL is really easy to find. You can just type in hbu.edu/Moody. And over on the left side, you will see Find Books and Media. This will link you to just searching our online catalog. From this page, you get several search options. Scrolling down, you can use the classic keyword search. This search will search any of the fields that you pick, whether title, author, subject, periodical title, keywords, or phrases in anywhere in any record in the catalog. These are words that are typed in any order. It will not necessarily read it as a phrase unless you pick this right here, phrases. But this is a classic keyword search. I prefer the classic browse search. If you click on the classic browse search below, you will get a new screen and you can see that the browse button is clicked. You can also see that you can ask the database to search in a particular field of each record. So every item in this catalog has different fields, and these are a few of them that you can search. The title field, the author field, the subjects field, and a series field. Also a periodical title field. This is what you would use for journals that you're looking to see if we have the journal. And then you have a words or phrases field, which will search the words exactly as you type them in the search text box. All over the whole record of any item in the catalog. Be aware that this could be books, ebooks, journals, so you're searching by journal title, not articles, and DVDs, any items we have physically in the library or electronic links out to journals or books or ebooks and various different items we might have in the library, either physically or online. Your tuition pays for these services and these online items. 2/3 of our books are ebooks. So this is the search I prefer for beginning students, the browse catalog search, or catalog, or classic browse search. So from here, I have a choice to pick use the drop down menu and pick author. And I'm going to demonstrate how to run an author search. So in this case, I'm going to run a search for Nathaniel Hawthorne. Now, when searching by author, you're going to type the last name first, and then a comma, space, and you can put the first initial in for Nathaniel, or go ahead and spell it out. Now, we're using the browse search, so it is very important the order that I type items in this search box. When you're searching by author or searching by subject for a person, an author, you're going to use the last name first, comma, space, first name. We're going to go ahead and run this search. And now you can see that we have 56 items by Nathaniel Hawthorne. And then you've got others that are more precise, biographical stories for children, and then other list of other titles that are here that you can actually go, and there's only one item retrieved. But for this one here, Hawthorne, Nathaniel, 1804 to 1864, we have 56 hits. So the difference between running a keyword search and a browse catalog search is that you are going to get specific author searches, title searches, subject searches when you use the browse search. When you use a keyword search, it's going to search the records throughout the whole record unless you tell it to search a certain field. So if I go ahead and click on this catalog browse by author search and open this with 56 hits, you will see that I'm retrieving items by Nathaniel Hawthorne, not about Nathaniel Hawthorne. And you can see there's different records. Here's some electronic ebooks we've got. You would click on the URL to get to those items. And then we have other items that are actually physically in the library. Let me scroll way down here and see if I can find one real quick. Here's one right here, and here's your call number. There's not an electronic book accessible or eBrary or EBSCO in front of any of the call numbers here, but you would use this call number to actually find this book. Okay, so what I wanted to show you also was that when you open one of these books, I'm going to go ahead and open this one. We're actually not opening the book, we're actually opening the record for the book. This is just a brief record. You will see we are looking at the item detailed portion of this record. You will have the author's name, the publisher, publication date, how many pages are in the book, and then you also have the call number. For any physical book in the library, you would need the call number. We use the Library of Congress subject headings to decide what call number area our books will be placed in. And you can go upstairs and browse this area, the PS 1868 area, for other books written by Nathaniel Hawthorne and also probably about Nathaniel Hawthorne. You will also see the location here of where the book is located and the collection. There's only one copy available. If I click on the catalog record, I'm going to get more information. So see that the different fields that can be searched. You see the author field, you see the title field, you see the subject fields. These are all searched, and you can pick and ask the database or the catalog to search by subject, author, title, and in other ways we can choose to pick by either words or phrases the complete record for this item. Please pause your search and answer questions. Just a reminder that you only really need the call number for a book when you want to go upstairs or to find the physical book or whatever item you were looking for in the library, but you can use the call number to look for other items on the shelf about or by that author. Going back, if you want to perform a new search, just hit the new search and the orange bar on the top. If you need to go back, do not use the browser's back arrow, use the go back in the orange here. So we're going to go ahead and go back one step, and now we've got our records again for Nathaniel Hawthorne, books by him that he's authored. And I'm going to go back one more step and one more step again, and remind you that if you're searching for a particular journal title, you're going to use the periodical title search. This will not retrieve articles or abstracts. You must use the library's library's databases, and to do that for articles and abstracts of articles, you would actually go back to the library's homepage and use the find articles using databases link here. So do not answer that question wrong. You're going to not going to find articles and abstracts in the online catalog. So please go back and answer questions 1 through 3 on your assignment and pause this video. Now I would like you to go ahead and answer questions 4 through 5 from the library's homepage. Using the Find Books and Media, answer questions 4 through 5 using the classic browse search.